This flight from Southwest Airlines would like to welcome you to Salt Lake City. For your continued safety and the safety of those around you, we ask that you please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened, seat backs and tray tables in the full upright, lock position, and your carry-on items right where they are. Please pull the gates, captain is always fasten seatbelt sign. Please use caution when opening overhead bins. Items may have shifted during flight, could fall out. If you're continuing on with us on flight 1606 into either Baltimore or Hartford, we ask that you please remain seated until our local passengers deplane. Jesse needs to cover the back of the aircraft to catch the through passenger. If you're standing or moving, you will not be counted. You may not have a seat on the next portion of our flight as it is completely full. So once again, please remain seated until we make an announcement that it's okay for you to move. If you're connected here in another Southwest City, go ahead and deplane. Check the TV monitors in the gate area if you're flying gate number. Now that we have turned off the runway, you are welcome to use cell phones and pagers. However, we would ask you please do not stand up to get to them. We certainly have enjoyed sharing part of our afternoon with you. If you have many choices when you fly, we thank you for choosing Southwest Airlines. Enjoy the rest of your holiday weekend. Come back and see us again soon.